Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the device, your Wi-Fi name and password, and the Alexa app ready. Plug the Echo into power and watch for the setup light. That tells you the speaker is ready. Once you see it, open the Alexa app and tap Add Device, then choose Amazon Echo. You do this now so the app can detect the hardware and reserve the network handshake, which speeds the next steps and avoids repeated resets. Now you connect the Echo to your account and Wi-Fi. In the app, select the detected device, choose your Wi-Fi network 2, 4 or 5 GHz, and enter the exact password. Make sure capitalization matches. Sign into your Amazon account so Alexa links to your skills and purchases. Grant location and mic permissions when prompted so features like weather and local commands work. Once done, name the device. Finish by updating device software in the app, then test basic voice commands like Alexa, what's the weather? To confirm connectivity. Next, enable any skills and link music or smart home services in settings so Alexa integrates with your ecosystem. Make sure the Echo's location and time zone match your account for routines. If the device fails to connect after about 10 minutes, perform a factory reset. Hold the action button until the light ring changes, then repeat setup. That clears stuck network states and often fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.